Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yes, sir. It was recently a gentleman named Mr. Ashley Johnson's birthday, which he celebrated appropriately, I should hope, but knowing him, probably not, at least the appropriate part, in the middle of nowhere, UK, although I do understand there were some issues with the lighting of the birthday candles, i.e. too many of them and some untoward consequences. Anyway, you want to talk about the number of candles, you should see my cake. But why are we here? And by the way, welcome to the Man Cave in beautiful suburban San Diego, California at Wistful Vistas. Well, we're here to do something that I've done to most of my motorcycles, which is to attach these grip puppies. Let's get in close so that you can see the title of them. Yeah, to attach these grip puppies. And what are grip puppies, you would ask? Let me tell you. So these are essentially just neoprene tubes. There's nothing. Look, are you in there? Yeah. These are just nothing but tubes of neoprene, and they fit right over your existing throttle grips. They have a couple advantages. One that might be appropriate to an aged rider, a senior rider such as myself, and the other almost to everybody who would want to try them. Number one, they do protect your original grips. So for instance, I had my 2017 Aprilia for 4 years, and the grips had no wear whatsoever because I had put these around them. The other advantage, perhaps for a senior rider, is they do increase the diameter, the overall diameter of the grips somewhat, and it makes it a little more comfortable. Especially, I find that few more moments in the saddle are possible because that smaller grip can get a little bit fatiguing. They used to sell them on the idea that they reduced vibration coming through the handlebars because of the neoprene. I think the modern bikes are just so well put together, and vibration is not the issue that it once was. So, yeah, judge on that one on your own. But I do put them on. I do like them. They're not expensive. It's quite easy to do. And speaking of that, that's what we're going to get into next. So stand by. Let's put these puppies on. Oh wait, they're grip puppies. I know, a bit of an early morning kind of a humorous thing there, but we'll get to it. Let's do it. Okay, the question inevitably comes, what tools do I need to put the grip puppies onto my motorcycle? Well, you need actually one tool. and that's it, your hand. I'll do a couple of close-up photos when I'm gone, but you literally just snake them over the handlebar. Going to go off camera here for a sec. That and a small bowl of soapy water. The water and the soap are the lubricant that you use to slide them over the rubber, and they'll dry after a while. It'll be a little wet feeling for a bit, but they'll dry after a while. And as the saying, as their product name goes, they will grip. So I'm going to put the other one on off the camera. Actually, maybe I'll do it while you're watching. That could be fun for you to see. I'll give you a little part of it because thanks to Aprilia, let's go over here slightly on this one that I just have started. Thanks to Aprilia, we have a little ridge line over the grips on either end, which is kind of nice. Hold your hand in place there. But you have to clear that to get it over and put the grip puppy on. So stand by. I'll start the process, at least on the camera, and you can see, you'll get a flavor for, let's adjust it here. Yeah, there we go. That's kind of an adjustment. You can see you'll get a flavor for, I wouldn't say it's hard. You'd need to budget about 15-20 minutes to do this. So we, let's come back here. We take the soapy water, we put it precariously on the seat, we dip our fingers in, put it around the inside of the grip puppy. Don't worry, it's soapy water. If your fingers are dirty, they'll be clean after you do this. Did you hear me, Ashley? So you do that, get the inside of them, and then you carry it around over here to this side. Make sure they're wet and there's a little residual soapy water on there. And we'll put it over here, and don't be sparing with it. You can clean all this up later on. And we put a little on the outside there, and then we start, and we have to lift this guy. We have to lift this little puppy over the top of that ridge, which I was able to do on the other side. Why can't I do it here? So, okay, there you have it. They're on. Took me about 10 or 15 minutes overall. It's a bit of work to get it over the top of that crown on the throttle there and to push it all the way on. But it goes. You just need to be patient. Fight the urge to grab a pair of needle nose or something like that and pull them along, because I tried that once. Pardon me, because I tried that once and I actually tore the grip puppy as I was pushing on. It could help to get a little piece of paper towel and give you some grip to put them on there. By the way, I was not paid nor given a product to try this. It comes from the UK. I just noticed that. All you UK people, be very proud out there. Can you see the flag? Oh, my finger's in the way. So that means it'll take the rain and weather and sleet and all the other summer weather that you guys have out there with these. Okay, it's on, working great. And again, I find that the larger diameter helps with the senior hand a lot comfort-wise. And it also preserves the underlying throttle. Okay, that's it. 2 thumbs up to Grip Puppies. And I'll put the price down at the bottom of the video that I put on there. Hey, hope all is going well for you. Talk to you later.